Minister of Water Resources Department Awangbow has emphasized the importance of educating tribals residing in nook and corner of the state on scheduled tribe provisions in the Indian Constitution. He made the statement during the foundation day of Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribe held at Classic Grand Day, Chingmairong today. A souvenir was also released during the event in presence of Tamenglong MLA Janghimlung Panmei, Chairperson of the Commission Thuigal Matheju, Forest Environment and Climate Change Special Secretary M.H. Khan and Manipur State Commission for Women former Member Secretary Ranjita Golmei. Speaking further, Minister Awangbow also mentioned that despite the privilege of tribal reservation provided by Indian Constitution, tribal community, especially the youth, failed to procure the advantages due to their ignorance and lack of awareness. He further urged the tribal community to enlighten themselves about provisions to the tribal individuals residing in nook and corner of the state so as to compete with the already developed community for the betterment of the tribal society. As part of the event, an interaction program for the welfare of tribal was also held.
Conversation get among the special point giving reservation in the job, in the educational institution, even in the social status. Otherwise, koina khangdabana yam. State coding the India manung the labor, scheduled tribes or scheduled castes. Economically, a kosi yam sonba. Advanced society ga panabakanda kosi makhada lady. A koi was uplift on another. Siguma provision mayam so, Government of India, the Government of our India Constitution makhada special provision haina thambire haraga are yet to know these provisions that is provided in the Constitution of India. I think it is everyone's duty. Those of us who are already educated, aware of the provisions, we have to make aware, we have to let our people know this kind of provisions. Si khata ngairaga, si provision khata lobu ngai kanata. But akoina yam solaga lady binina, si provisions si avail tore haraga. Atopa advance of community gasu manana naba akoi. One of the matam way they have say,